Hello everyone, welcome to Tech and Talk. Today I'm going to show you how to insert a record in table. Also I will show you what are the various ways used to insert a record in table. So basically insert is used for inserting a data in SQL table. Here we will see what is the syntax used for the insert record. Insert into table name. Here you will have to provide your table name. In column names, you will have to provide your column names. What are the columns used in your table? Values. In values, you will have to give your actual values, what you are going to insert here. See the example here. Insert into employee is the table. Name, mobile, email are the fields of the table. And values, Nikhil, that mobile and the email ID are the actual values in from the table. And this way the data will get saved in the table. Now we'll see in SQL how to insert the records. So let me write insert into. I'm using the table dbo.employee details. What are the columns here? ID, employee name, age, mobile, address, email. So these are my columns. Here you can see, and what are the data types of this column? Integer, varchar. So accordingly we give the values here. In ID I'm giving the one. Employee name is Nikhil. Mobile. Executed. You can see here the one the row is affected. How to see the records, inserted records? So for that you will have to give the command select star from employee details. Here you can see the record is inserted here. So there is a one way. Other way, suppose I'm copying it, insert into DB employee details. Let's say I don't want to insert the email now. So in that case, I will give the values like you can also insert this way also. So now let me select it. Here you can see the same record is inserted, but with null value because while creating the table, the email is allowing me the null values. So for null column, you can insert the record. From Object Explorer also, you can insert the records. Go to edit and here add a simple. Give the any number. Email ID. So from Object Explorer also you can insert the record. So now in this video we learn how to insert the records in SQL table. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please drop me a comment if you have any query, so I will try to make a detailed video on it. Also please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel.